Hello from Slovenia again. I will try something different today again. So I will do like 4 circles. This was cardinal red and this is metallic silver. I will use some metallics again because I like these effects that I get. So I'm just hoping that I will get something similar. And this is permanent rose. Oops. Oops. And then I will add a little of this Windsor violet. My hands are shaking. I don't know why, but they are. And some silver again. This silver looks almost white when it is dry, so and I have some light rose. And some metallic purple. And I just think that I will add some purple here in the middle and some silver on top and cardinal red and some metallic purple top. I'm just thinking if I want to add some green to this, or maybe some turquoise. Like leaves, maybe here. Oops. And some metallic turquoise. And some light turquoise too. So, let's see how this experiment will work, if it will work at all. And I will just press my canvas. let's lift this baby up. Oops, sorry. Wow, different but nice. I just have to add white here because it's missing. And I will just try to blend it a little bit with my finger. I think that I will leave this. Just want to fix this part because I don't like it, and I see some spots that obviously I didn't press enough. So I will just add some white paint here and here because I see that I missed interesting. Definitely interesting design. So I didn't get this centered flower, but still I think that it's still nice because it looks like I don't know, blooming from here, and this lacing is beautiful. And I just want to look what I get here. I get some nice skin here too, I think. I think that it will be nice painting out of this skin too. I will do some videos about my skins because you ask me a lot, but I just don't have time to do all that I want. So I think that I have some spots without paint in here, but I will leave it because I think that I should. It will not be so obvious when it will dry, but if it will be, I will fix it later. So just want to pull some of this here. So I will pause you and take you for a close-up. This is final result. I love it. I just love it. I have to say that I do. Some gorgeous details, and I like this composition too, so I'm happy. And this is my skin. This is what it left on the surface, and it will be my skin. It's not skin yet. See this gorgeous green leaf here? It's just gorgeous. I think it will be beautiful too. So, but today I'm more happy with canvas than my skin. I really love it. So this technique is something that I will try again. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.